I'm Jonathan Lumboy from BSIT3F, and here we're discussing about CRUD. CRUD is stand for Create, Read, Update, and Delete. And Create is adding a new data or records to the database. Read is retrieving or viewing the data in the database. Update is modifying and I'm modifying existing data in the database, and delete is removing data from the database. The importance of CRUD in database is it is fundamental for database driven application because it ensures complete data management. These days operation allow user to manage information efficiently whenever they adding new entries, reading and displaying data, making changes, and deleting records when no longer needed. And now we are now creating a new entries for our database. So here the syntax of creating a new entries in database is insert into user. User user kasi ito pong pangalan ng ating table. Then username, full name, email, address, the zip code, and then the password. Then values, which is ito na yung kung ano yung gusto natin ilagay. First is the username. So maglalagay tayo dito ng new time. Then the full name is the email address, kasi di tayo pala maglagay dito, here, and then here. So address, Flores, then our zip code 4443. Then password, so maglalagay tayo ng for the password. Then now click the go. So here makikita na natin yung na-create natin entry here. Then second is the read, which is ito na po ang default. Bali maglalagay pa rin pala tayo ng panibagong data. So ganun ulit. SQL. Insert naman tayo dito. Dito rin lang, parehas din na sila. Then palitan muna natin ito. Then tanggalin natin yung ID. Values is name. Then yung pangalan, symbol, Number Jonathan. Then, email. Sabihin na natin. gmail.com. Then, address. Then, Basinan. And then the zip code 2443. And then the password. Password is may nalimutan tayong ilagay dito. Kaya red. So, ayan. Okay, then. And then here. Bali, okay na ata lahat. Then, go. So, now we're going to read. Read is retrieving or viewing the data na nasa database. So, ang syntax nito is ito. Then, if gusto natin palabasin yung isa sa mga to, na parang yun lang yung lalabas, punta tayo dito. Then, select from users, which is our table. Then, where? Then, ID equals, kung gusto natin yung 1 lang yung papalabasin, 1 lang po yung ating lalagay. Then, go na. Oops, mali. Kulang tayo ng so, ito na po ang lumabas sa ating ID ay sa ating read. And if gusto naman nating laruhin, kung gusto natin yung pangalan ng ipalabas, select all from users, select full name. Select full name from users, where ID ID equals ito po siya. Pagkita ang ating full name sa ID number 1, which is Boy. Then, try natin sa pangalawa. Auto-generate natin yun. Ito, if diba nalabas, yun po. So, we're going to update. Update is modifying the existing data in database. And here, kung gusto natin palitan yung username ni ID number 2, then papalitan din natin kung email. Ito lang po ang ating gagawin. Update users, then set the username ba yun? Username, set username to ang magandang username. Sabihin na natin Yoyo. Then, yung email is palitan natin ng jojo.gmail.com, then where then, yan, then the ID, tapos kung saan natin gusto, which is number 2, and then i-go na natin, then tignan natin if napalitan. So ayun po, napalitan siya. And now we're going to the delete. So here, if gusto natin i-delete yung data natin na ID number 2 or 1, punta lang tayo dito, then lalagay natin itong syntax na to, and then by the way, delete is deleting or removing the data in the database, which is mawawala na talaga. Delete from users, where if ito naman ID, kung gusto natin silang dalawang mawawala, pwede siyang 1 and 2. Let's try if ever pwede. How do you really want to execute delete from the try natin. So yun, error siya, hindi siya pwede. So yung number 1 na lang siguro muna. Yun, delete siya. So ayun po.